Hey guys, it's your girl Ariel Versace and welcome back to my channel.
Hey now, hey now. Yes.
This week's video I'm super excited for because I am doing a little bit of a collaboration with the brand Betsey Johnson.
Yes.
Now, I love Betsey Johnson stuff. You know, it's the big over-the-top cupcake rainbow prom princess. I love it. I've always loved Betsey Johnson stuff, her purses, her keychains, her outfits, her dresses, but she now has a makeup line. So I'm gonna show, first of all, the packaging. Yes, I love it. They sent me over some packages to review. I'm one of the first to ever even be able to play with this makeup, so I'm super excited about that. So I'm gonna go over what they sent me, and I'm gonna be doing a couple looks for you guys over the next couple weeks. This is gonna be the first one, the Pretty in Pink. I literally do feel like I'm going to prom, like in the 80s, but that's A-okay. Yes. So she sent me over brushes, palettes, lashes, lipsticks, lip glosses, eyelashes. I think I said that, but I'm super excited to play with it all. I just wanted to kind of show you guys the packaging. It's all very super cute, very on brand for her. I love this highlighter. As you can see, I went a little ham on it. Bitch, this highlighter is it. So I hope you guys are super excited for this collaboration that I'm doing with Betsey Johnson. And if you guys stick around, you guys can see how I achieved this week's Pretty in Pink Betsey Johnson makeup look. So keep on watching. Yes. All right, guys, so I went ahead and filmed one eye off camera, pre-filmed it. So I'm gonna show you how to go from this, ew, to this. Yes. And today's products, like I said, for the most part, it's just gonna be almost all the Betsey Johnson cosmetics that I got. So I'm super excited to try these out. The brushes are cute, everything's polka dot and pink. So like, I'm all for it. So this is the packaging of the palette, very cute little polka dot Gigarama, and these are the colors. And it comes with a mirror inside, which is good for a gal on the go. But yeah, these are the colors, and obviously today's first look, we're gonna be doing a little bit of pink. So the first color we're gonna tap into is this color right here called Cartwheel, which after 27 years of living, I still can't do one. And we're just gonna proceed to put this in the crease. The pigment on these, I would say it's actually a pretty decent pigment in here. You do need to build a little bit, but it's not like it's like nothing. It's not like chalky or anything like that. It does go on fairly pigmented. The only thing I would say, just coming from a drag artist myself, even the matte shades do have a little bit of iridescence to them. So somebody that is not super great with their brow coverage, beware, user beware. But honestly, if you're somebody that has a great brow coverage, or you shave your brows, or just a womana ready to take on this pink eye, this is definitely gonna be okay. It'll blend out and you will be A-okay, Sailor Moon. Like I said, it blends out really nicely. It doesn't get like patchy or anything. The pigment moves around fairly easily, which we love. So this color almost comes across as more of like a really pretty like raspberry tone, which is, it's the gig. Next up, I'm just gonna cut my crease with a little bit of a white concealer and also highlight my brow bone. And now I'm just gonna blend that white out with this little brush from the Betsey Johnson brush kit. And now I'm gonna go back in with that little brush and I'm just gonna blend out this pink into the white concealer pigment. And these brushes are super fluffy. I believe, yeah, they're a synthetic material, I believe. So it's perfect for shadows and creams. Jizz. Now we're gonna tap back into this palette. We are going to be mixing this color Lulu with Tutu. Lulu, Tutu. We're gonna mix them together and we're gonna use this to set the lid and the brow bone. Normally I use like a bright white, but like I said, I just wanna utilize this palette. This is like a very light white ballet pink, so this should still do the trick. Spoiler alert, it did. It's a little less bright than I normally go for on my eye highlights, but honestly, it's, you know, it's good to change it up. Like I said, this is a little bit more of a natural kind of like a pastel pink on the eye rather than straight up white. And it's nice, it's flattering, and it definitely goes with the look, obviously. Same goes for this color as the pink. It's blending out super nicely. And now we're gonna use those same colors to set the lid. We're gonna tap back into Cartwheel and take that same other fluffy brush again from the Betsey Johnson brush set, and we're just gonna press this on the very outside just to smoke out the edges. And you're gonna blend that onto the light pink we just put on the lid, and then blend. Like I said, they blend out fairly quickly and easily, which is awesome. Now I'm gonna take that same brush. This brush is getting a lot of action. You know what? You go, Glen Coco. This little brush. We love a good dome brush moment. And I got it filthy already, so you know that's how it's a very utilized brush. They are very pretty though. Here's one that's like not dirty. It's like hot pink at the top. Soup's cute. V-me. We're gonna tap into this color Frisky, and we're just gonna kind of deepen the crease area a little bit and then blend that up. Speaking of that color Frisky, I'm actually going to use that to color in my brow. So I'm going to take a little bit of a setting spray and then I'm going to wet my brush and then dip into that color Frisky and paint my brow on. And I'm going to be using another little brush out of the Betsey Johnson brush set. This one's an angled brush, so it's perfect to fill in like brows, put on gel liner, all that good stuff. Tapping back into our favorite dome brush, and we're just going to use that to blend out the front of the brow with whatever little pigment aroma is left over. We can tap back into Cartwheel and Babe and just blend, blend, blend. Now I'm gonna grab this big fluffy brush and I'm just gonna use this to kind of go back and forth and just blend out everything that is right here to give it a really nice, pretty gradient so that nothing looks harsh. Just kind of going in right now and cleaning up this brow because, you know, everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. 1, 2, 3, copyright. Now we're gonna take, you guessed it, this dome brush again, tap back into Cartwheel, and we're just gonna pop that under the eye. And make sure you blend it out, blend it out. And to further smoke out this edge, we're gonna tap into this color Flirt and pop that right in the corner. It's a little bit more purpley. We love a purple moment. All right guys, now that I got the basic shadows on, I'm gonna go off camera and pop on some liner and mascara. Mwah. All right guys, now that I got my mascara and my eyeliner on, we're gonna go in and we're just gonna add a little drama right here with a little bit of this Betsey Johnson highlighter. It is just called the Instant Glow Highlighter Powder Compact. The Highlighter Powder Contact. Oh my God! It is called the Betsey Johnson Highlighter Powder Compact. I didn't! I'm gonna take this flat concealer brush from the Betsey Johnson brush collection and we are just gonna pop that right here to add a little shine on our inner corner and blend that out and in. Sorry, I have a little dryness by the nose. I don't know what's going on, but like, sue me. That was my lawyer. We're gonna use this on the face as well. I just wanted to utilize it on the eye too. It's like a really pretty light peachy champagne shade. I'm into it. You feeling pretty in pink yet? All right, let's add a little dimension to the face by adding a little bronzer and blush. Now I'm gonna pop a little bit of blush on the face and I'm gonna be using this angled brush from the Betsey Johnson brush collection. We're gonna let that bake for a little bit. And while we let this bake, we're gonna try out this highlighter on our cheeks. Now this brush is what came with the highlighter. Now this is a little fluffy for my taste for a highlighter brush, but you could use this as a regular powder brush. Now I would throw this in my bag for like a touch-up powder, like throughout the day to throw some face powder on. But let's just give it a whirl. Okay, this highlighter's the tea. Okay, BJ. Go, BJ. BJ. You are. I'm super into this highlighter. I'm like surprisingly shook. Like, all right. And this brush actually if I put it right here and then like just use the fluffiness of it to blend it out, it gives like a really nice diffused effect. Damn! Wow, did I want to shave today? Guys, I'm like gagged by this highlighter. Oh my God. This was a pleasant surprise. This highlighter that I couldn't say for the life of me, the Betsey Johnson Highlighter Powder Compact Instant Glow for more dimension. Apply alone or on top of your makeup. Pretty much shooketh me. So 10s across the board for that. This has been my favorite thing so far, I think. All right, guys, we're now gonna tap into some lips. Now, I got some amazing lip products. Now, we got some glosses here, which are super cute. Lots of shades. They're like double-sided, so there's like more of like a shimmery side, and then more of a not-so-shimmery side, just like a regular regular colored gloss. I don't know what you really classify that as. Just gloss and like sparkly gloss. And then we have some lip stains, which I'm all for. You know, I love the good old nudie nudes right here. And then we got like the brighter colors. I'm gonna save these more for a rainy day, and we're gonna go for the nudie nudes today. And I'm gonna go for this one actually in the middle, this pink, because I think it's gonna match the look. And it is called Malibu. All right, let's pop this on. It has a smell. It smells good. I don't know what it is. What would this smell like? Some sweet cookiness, something like that. Let's just put it on. Okay. Now listen, kids. I overdraw the shit out of my lips. Let's be honest. This goes on a little bit more sheer than some, but it still has pigment. No, it's pretty full enough color. Yeah. Okay. I like this lip color. I don't normally like pinks, like at all, but this is like that very soft, like, pink, you know? Okay. I'm actually gonna go back in with this shade. This is called Girlfriend, and I'm gonna put on my little freckles with this. Alright guys, now the last step that we are going to do for our pretty in pink tutorial is I think that we are going to pop on a little bit of gloss, and I think I'm feeling this super glittery one right here. I like that it's double-sided, like I said, so each side, oh okay, the wands come out of both sides. That's cute for a gal on the go that wants to bring two colors along. Damn, you need the Hulk to open this? Okay, got it. Mind you, I can't open anything. Oh, yes. Smell like anything? Not really. This gloss isn't like sticky either. It just makes it feel like, I put lipstick on. All right, guys. Well, now that the makeup portion is completed and done, let's put on lashes, contacts, and final looks and get pretty in pink with Betsey Johnson. This is really, really pretty. Babe!
What?
Babe!
What?
Come here!
What?
What do you think? Come here.
Virgie?
Come here.
I'm not going there.
Come here.
No.
Yes.
You look pretty.
I feel like I'm going to the prom in the 80s. Actually, I feel like Hermione Granger from Harry Potter going to prom in the 80s. Just put all that together in a blender, a little bit of Betsey Johnson, and that's what you get. What do you think?
Looks great.
Thank you. Okay,
It's soft.
Soft covered. So as I said, guys, these products are super adorable. They're great for people that know what they're doing with makeup. They're great for a beginner. So I highly recommend checking out Betsey Johnson's makeup collection. And like I said, this is just one of the looks I'm going to be doing this month for you guys. I'm going to be playing around with some more of the shadows, some more of the products. There is eyelashes that I'll probably cut up and use as bottom lashes, but you know. We got cheek highlighters, like cream highlighters. There's a fiber mascara. And there's also other lip colors I want to explore. But in the meantime, enjoy this look. I hope you guys love it. And as always, yes.